In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Mailchimp email as HTML quickly and easily. This process can be a big time saver if you're looking to use your email design in another email platform or want a backup of your work in HTML format. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your login details handy to access your dashboard without a hitch. Once you're in, it's essential to save your email design as a template. Doing this will ensure you can export the HTML version of the email. Now head over to the Campaigns tab at the top of your dashboard, and in the drop-down menu, select All Campaigns. This will bring up a list of your current campaigns. Find the email campaign you wish to export, look for the Edit button directly beside its name and give it a click. It will open up the campaign. At this point, you'll want to locate the drop-down arrow beside the Save and Exit option in the upper right corner. Click on this drop-down and you'll find the option to save your email as a template. Be sure to give your template a recognizable name, something that reflects the content of the email, then hit save. This helps keep your templates organized and easy to find later on. With your email saved as a template, let's move on to accessing it for export. Navigate to the Content section on the left side menu and choose Email Templates from the drop-down options. Here you'll find a list of all your saved email templates. Look for the one you just named and saved. Once you locate the template, look to the right side where you'll see a drop-down menu next to the Edit button. Click this drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of actions you can take on the template. Select Export as HTML, which will begin the process of converting your Mailchimp email into an HTML file. When you choose to export as HTML, a warning message might appear. It will inform you that the exported template will lose the drag and drop functionality if you import it back into Mailchimp. If you're okay with this, click Export Template to proceed with the export process, and there you have it. Now you've successfully exported your Mailchimp email as HTML. This method provides you with a versatile file that can be used in various email platforms or stored as a personal backup. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to save this video for future reference and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.